it's very clear among the public because every time
না সেটা
there were
যেটা
discussions for
আমাদের
raising
সংগঠনগুলো
of
আছে
voice in the assembly
যে
with the
মেবার
MLAs.
কুমার জমাইটা যে
But
আমাদের
on the day of the session of the assembly,
নেতৃত্বে যতগুলো যে
those
আইপিএফটি
decisions
পার্টি
are
আছে আমরা
not
সিদ্ধান্ত
met.
নিয়েছি আগামী 2 তারিখে
So
এখানে
none of the
ত্রিপুরা
MLAs were
মাথায়
able to
আমাদের
speak in the
IPFT
assembly
মার্চ
for
করব।
separate state.
সারা ত্রিপুরা রাজ্য
So
থেকে
it is
আমরা
very
কল
clear
করেছি
from the public that the NC development led IPFT is a B team of BJP. So we being the frontal warriors for a separate state, we are bound to split from them, and now we will join for a greater Khansa with Maharaja and work for the cause of a separate state.
After being in the government for so long, do you think the public will believe those leaders who came to power with that cause and the main issue is separate state? And they have enjoyed the entire ministership, and now they will go for separate state. All of a sudden, they are again trying to revive that. Do you think public will believe that?
Absolutely not. Public have already known well that NC Devarma has moved away from the demand of separate state. So we have been pursuing this matter since long, asking him to bring the voice in the assembly for the separate state. But he has been keeping silent over that. Recently, let me tell you again, IPFT has lost a very vital department, tribal welfare department, in the new Manik Shah's cabinet. This tribal welfare department is no more with IPFT. Did NC Devarma speak a word against that? It has gone to BJP. Now, the main department which works for the tribals in the state is the tribal welfare department. That has been snatched away from IPFT. NC Devarma কি করছেন এতদিন? NC Devarma minimum ওটা তো ডিমান্ড করতে পারতো. He could not even raise the voice against the snatching away of the tribal welfare department from IPFT. So it is very clear that in the grassroots level, public have understood that IPFT led by NC Devarma is no more on the demand for the separate state. Therefore, since Maharaj has been leading the demand for the separate state, we felt that we should support him, we should join him, and fight for our cause.
Any other question?
No, no.
Separate state, alada rajyo na andolon no, so bus kangwa ako itlangan bagay, so Maharashtra subana.